back to cyber one of the that is AES-256 encryption with OpenSSL. Okay, let's see what is AES-256 encryption. Okay, so before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cybersecurity tutorials. So let's go start. Let's get started. Stands for Advanced Encryption Standard. It is a symmetric encryption algorithm widely used in cybersecurity, also widely used in banking and data protection process. What are key points about AES encryption technique? Uh, it supports 128, 192, and 256-bit encryption, 256-bit key sizes, so that it it makes stronger to reduce the decryption by brute force attacking. AES-256 is the strongest and most secure version used in latest industry. It is used in VPNs, virtual private networks, through which we create a tunnel to our private network to internet. Then encrypted messaging, which is implemented in WhatsApp end-to-end encryption, right? And most of secure file storage systems uses AES-256 encryption method. Now let's move to the practical part. Encryption file with AES-256 is using OpenSSL. First, we need to install OpenSSL. It pre-install in Kali Linux, but guys, if you we are practicing it on Kali Linux. Open the Kali Linux machine. If you do not set up your Kali Linux machine setup for practicing cybersecurity and ethical hacking practice, do refer my videos. I will leave the link in description. Do follow refer the video for Kali Linux setup. Okay, let's log in. Open the terminal. Okay, and let's see. Let me come to the directory, working directory. I always work on desktop. Okay, so to keep track of all files and folders, let me see. I think it got a hang of it. Let me close it and open it. Let me zoom it. I hope you will be able to see my terminal screen. Okay. Okay, go to desktop and hit enter. Okay, I have OpenSSL demo. Let me delete it and I will create it again. If you don't know about these commands, you can refer it from my YouTube videos. I have created a dedicated video on Kali Linux basics commands and advanced part 1 and part 2 videos. Do refer it. You will be familiar with all the commands, Kali Linux commands. Okay. Let me clear the screen. See here, there is no OpenSSL demo folder. Let me create and one folder. mkdir for creating directory. I am giving name it as OpenSSL demo. Enter. Let's see it is created or not. Here it is created. Okay. Let's change directory by cd. Okay, and enter in OpenSSL demo. By tab, it will auto complete it detect the files and folders and show you the options. Let me clear the screen. Now we are in our OpenSSL demo folder. Here we will see we will create a file. By creating file, we will then encrypt it After encrypting, then we will decrypt it and see the encrypted and decrypted data, whether it is working or not with OpenSSL. Okay. First we need to install OpenSSL tool. It is come with already come with download pre-install in Kali Linux machine. If not, simply type sudo apt install OpenSSL. Okay, hit enter, give password basically, and it will download. Okay, I have already downloaded, so it's showing that OpenSSL this one. I have downloaded it already. If you're downloading first time, it will take some time. Okay. Uh, to see OpenSSL which version is being installed in our system. Let's see. There is OpenSSL 3.4.1, 11 February 2025. It is the last update, right? Last version was released. To practice OpenSSL tool, let's create an file. To create file, simply type echo. I'm giving this text here to get right down in our file. This is demo confidential message in file. Okay, and I am storing this output in let secret.txt. We create a, here we are creating a file secret.txt where we storing our this confidential message. Okay, hit enter. Let's see file created or not. Here file is created, and let's see this data is been saved in it or not. So see data within a file, simply using cat command, cat, and followed by file name. Hit enter. Here guys, this data has been saved in our file. This is where we are giving it as. Okay, let me clear the screen. We have successfully created a file and enter a confidential data in it. Okay, let's see to encrypt the file using AES-256. So let's encrypt this secret.txt file. Okay, simply type OpenSSL ENC. Don't worry about this command guys, I will leave it in a description box, or you can see it here on screen. Okay, ENC OpenSSL ENC, then hyphen AES hyphen 256. Here it's supposed to 128, 192 and 256 bit encryption. So I am going with 256 bit encryption. Then CBC, then salt with the iteration, hyphen salt hyphen space hyphen in, then file name, one which we are going to applying the encryption technique. Okay, so we are applying on this secret.txt file, so give it secret.txt. Now taking hyphen out as taking output in a encrypted file, give that file name secret.enc. Encryption encrypted file comes with extension with enc. Okay, here what we have, let me complete the command and I will explain it. Okay, secret.enc space hyphen pass colon and your password, encryption password. Okay, let me give it as CyberTechX pass 123. Do remember this password guys, it is very important to remember, which is used for decrypt the encrypted file. Okay, let me first copy it. Okay, this is command. Let me explain you. Here OpenSSL, which is a encryption technique tool through which we are implementing the encryption and decryption method. Okay, OpenSSL ENC for encryption, then through advanced encryption system 256 bit encryption I am using with CBC method, and adding a salt that makes more secure password. Okay, then in a diaphragm parameter. Okay, and one which file we are going to implementing the encryption, this file name. Okay, then output it as a encrypted file, we giving the encrypted file name as secret.enc. Okay, then give it a password. Okay, hyphen pass and space pass colon your password and simply hit enter. Okay, we will see this method also. Okay, let's see encryption file is created or not. Here guys, this secret.enc file is successfully created. If you try to get the data inside secret.enc, simply type get secret.enc. Okay, hit enter. It will show this kind of ciphertext that is not easily understand. Okay, to understand this text we have to decrypt it, and it will give as a original plain text message here. That's why encryption technique is very important to secure your data, so that no one will see your data. It makes it secure. Let me clear the screen, and here we will see we have we will create a secret file. Okay, and using OpenSSL encryption command we have created this file. So if you want to share this file, it will be secure to share, so that if anyone get that file, no one will be see it. Okay, now for decrypting the let's move on to decryption method. To retrieve the original file, let's decrypt it using the same password. Okay, so for decrypting, simply type OpenSSL. Okay, OpenSSL AES-256 CBC. Now here for decrypting we use a -d parameter. Okay, then -in on which secret encrypted file we are going to which encrypted file we are going to decrypt, that file name. Okay, so secret.enc and -out decrypted. To decrypt this encrypted file we taking this to new decrypted file name. Okay, so let me give it as secret decrypted. Okay, decrypted.txt, as it give us a original message. Okay, txt -pass to give password, and give that previous one password that we have used for encrypt the file. Okay, that is CyberTechX pass 123. Hit enter. Okay, ignore this warning, I will tell you later. Okay, let's see decrypted file created on here guys. Secret decrypted.txt file has been created, and let's see it the message it have retrieve or not. Okay, here guys, this is demo confidential message file where we use in a secret.txt. Here what we do, we create a secret.txt file where we store our confidential data. Then using OpenSSL command we encrypt it, which makes it secure. Okay, and then again using OpenSSL tool we decrypt it with the same password. Okay, secret.decrypted.txt file, here it is. In this way you can create file, encrypt it, you can share it across the different people where you want to do your work. And for decryption using same tool and method you can retrieve the original message. Okay, here we have successfully decrypted the file. Let me see you let me tell you again what. Let me clear the screen. Here we will create a secret file, then decrypt it using a secret decrypt using OpenSSL tool to and save it in secret.enc file, and using OpenSSL tool again we decrypt it and save the original data in secret decrypted.txt. Okay, don't worry about commands, I will you can see it on a screen, or and also I will leave it in a description box, you can refer from this there. Okay, okay, let's see how to automate encryption multiple files. Okay, encrypt and decrypt, automating the encryption and decryption methods. So we will achieve the automation using bash scripting. Okay, let me I'm creating a directory for as automation to keep track, keep it isolated. Okay, don't, if I do it here it will all the mix up. Okay, so I'm creating a new directory. See here automation is created. Clear the screen, see here. Okay, and let me change directory to automation. Here there is no files. Let me clear the screen. Now I'm creating an encryption bash. Let me create encryption bash.sh as a bash scripting file comes with the .sh extension. Okay, I just simply creating a encryption underscore bash.sh file using touch command. Hit enter. Okay, it is created successfully. Let me edit using gedit text editor. Okay, sudo gedit. I think there is no mousepad. Let me edit using mousepad editor. Okay, encryption. Enter. Give it password, and it will open the text editor where we can add a bash automation code. Let me make it little maximizing it. Okay, I hope okay, it's good. Okay, I don't have any problem. I hope you are able to see the screen. Let me about here h slash bin bash. Okay, make encrypted files. I hope guys you are able to see my screen. If not, please do make please do increase your quality to 108 resolution so you will be able to see. Let me open it on full screen. Okay, I hope you are able to see it successfully. Okay, what this I'm explaining along with the typing. Okay, what it will create, what it will do here, it will create a make direct it will create encrypted files folder for which stores all the encrypted files. Okay, then by using for loop I am applying the encryption on each file. Star represent all the files in folder directory. Do OpenSSL ENC EAS, I think so, AES CBC sorry 256 encryption bit CBC. Then salt for make it stronger, and variable with file name, it will give each file name out. Giving this default path to the respective each respective file dollar with 5 .enc. And then your password encryption. Let me give it CyberTechX. CyberTechX pass 1 2 3, and okay, and here then with echo it will output the terminal encrypted with respective file name, and done. Okay. I will give this file in our description box. Okay, don't worry. Let me save it. You can simply type Control S and minimize it. Okay, here with encryption base I am saving it. File name encryption does already exist. You want to replace it? Okay, get it. Alright, okay, and let me close it. Now let's see the bash file. It has been created successfully. Let's see the code. We have save or not. Here we have successfully created a file and write down a bash scripting automation for encrypting files within the folder. Which folder? This folder, encrypted files. Okay. Then let create files that we want to encrypt. Okay. Simply one.txt, then 2.txt, hit enter. It will create two files here. Let me add some message in each file. Okay, so this is automation encryption file 1. Okay, and enter it in 1.txt, hit enter. Likewise add another message in 2.txt, enter. Let me clear the screen. See the data has been saved in respective files or not, that we are want to encrypt. Okay, 1.txt and 2.txt. Let's see here in 1.txt this message is saved, and in 2.txt this message is saved. Okay, and for execute this encryption.sh file we have to give it a file permissions. So let give it a file permission, sudo chmod plus x plus for sudo for super user do chmod for change modifications in the access to sh file, plus for adding writes, and x for giving its executable permissions, and with the file name that is encryption underscore bash.sh, hit enter, ls, and this has all the permissions. Let me see. Executable. Let me modify the let me clear the screen, and next we have to create automation bash file for decryption. Okay, so first create, or you can directly create direct. Okay, sudo then mousepad decryption uh, some decryption bash.sh. Okay, For encryption automation bash file, we have give name as encryption bash.sh, and for automating the bash file with the automating the bash with the bash file, we are giving it as decryption underscore bash.sh. Hit enter. It will okay. It will open the editor. Let me zoom the screen so you will be able to see it. Okay, let me create bash file bin bash. Okay, open bash bin bash. Here we will create a directory where all the decrypted files will be stored. Okay, decrypted files, right? And using for loop on each file in encrypted files, encrypted files for directory to path to each encrypted file which is to has.enc extension. Do OpenSSL ENC. Then hyphen AES 256 bit encryption decryption method. CBC hyphen D for decryption parameter hyphen in, then in file path dollar file, and output as decrypted files slash dollar with base name dollar file dot enc. Okay, and your password as CyberTech. I have given it current password same as used for encryption. Okay. CyberTechX pass 123. I think it is given. Then take output on a terminal as decrypted with file name. Okay, and loop will be end here. Let me save it. File and save. Okay, this is complete code. Let me close the editor and see whether this code is saved or not. Okay, let me see. File is created successfully, decryption bash.sh. Let me see the code by simply typing cat command decryption.bash, and it should show all the code, bash code. Here it's all, it says successfully. Let me clear the screen. In this way we have successfully created we have successfully written automated code for encryption and decryption method. Okay, so here we use this automation encryption and decryption method in some real world use cases with AES-256 encryption method. They are used in banking transactions and online payments for make them secure across hiding from the unauthorized persons, and also using encrypting emails and personal data, protect the sensitive government files using password managers and VPNs, virtual private networks methods. Okay, in this way AES-256 is a must-known encryption method for cybersecurity enthusiasts. Okay, that is for today's tutorial. Okay, now you know how to use AES-256 encryption to secure your files using OpenSSL tool. Okay, we have successfully see the using OpenSSL tool how to encrypt and decrypt the files independently, and also seen that the code for bash automating the encryption and decryption techniques using bash scripting, right? If you want to know more about encryption different tools using encryption and decryption techniques, like pycrypt.omo, GNU, right? Then please do comment, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our video, and press the bell icon to never skip your updates about our new videos, and